Best designer, Cyberpunk 2077. Hi,
Graphic PC designer.
quite a
Cyberpunk.
bunch of Russian influences because Night City is basically influenced from cultures all around the world. So you specifically
Cyberpunk.
you might notice a few details,
PC
like
world.
specific graffiti that might have some Russian slang on them. Specific little nods to Russian culture and literature, or to Russian youth culture. And there's also a gang that we usually call the Scavengers, which have lots of
We are
Russian
the scavenger
like to
crew.
listen to Russian music, have some Russian graffiti. So I think you might find lots of nice little details and secrets. Yeah, you can actually do quite a few things. So you can, of course, eat and drink. We're not making a survival game, so you don't have to drink and eat in regular intervals. But of course, eating and drinking can give you special bonus.
Cyberpunk world, baby.
Stats. So it's always useful.
Subscribe for this dope ass art setup.
So as an example, in certain scenes when you're eating with a character, you can choose to eat with that character or have a drink, or you can choose not to do it. And of course, if you're in your apartment, you can turn on the shower, the toilet, or you can